Hi everyone, Olivia here, and I'm going to show you how to get the look using our summer essentials. First, I'm using Velvet Veil to smooth pores and fine lines. For eyeshadow, the Nude and Naughty palette. Next, moving on to Airbrush Blush using my Breeze Airbrush system. To line and define my eyebrows, I'm using the 2-in-1 brow pencil. To achieve a dewy glow, I'm applying Love Illuminator using my cordless Breeze system. To line my eyes, I'm applying Precision Eyeliner. Distraction Mascara adds length and volume to my lashes so easily. For my lips, I'm using my favorite Vinyl Slick liquid lipstick in Merengue. To set and protect my flawless makeup results, I'm using Final Seal setting spray. And that's my quick and easy summer essential look. Time to summer-proof your makeup routine for 25% off.